Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video if you find it entertaining or helpful. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, delivered in a fun, fast-paced format, then watch as the subscribe button takes the notification bell out in the woods to inform them that he's not like other guys. Today's episode of the Weekly Pointers News Update is going to be a fun one, and if you're not familiar with the Weekly Pointers Update, let me give you a quick rundown. On one side of the screen, you'll see the topics that I will be discussing today. Underneath that list of topics will be a timer letting you know how long I will be talking about each topic, and the current topic that we're talking about will be highlighted. Oh my goodness, could it be any easier? I don't know. The Weekly Pointers Update is intended to be a way to fill in the gaps on the information you may have missed through other media outlets. So these are going to be the stories that may not get the big headlines, but they're going to help fill in the gaps and fill in the spaces from the other topics that you may have read about already this week. That includes rumors, news tidbits, updates, and so on. Before we get going, make sure if you haven't checked out my video from earlier this week regarding the new Marriott card welcome offers, go check that out. Those are some big time changes. But with all that said, I think we just get into it, get going, and catch you up on the news that you may have missed. Let's get going. So you thought it was really cool to not follow the mask policy and get kicked off a flight. Well, probably most of you didn't think that. But those that have chosen to do that may be in bigger trouble now because the major airlines are in discussions right now to share the list of names of the group of people that have been kicked off flights for not following mask guidance. This means that if you got kicked off a flight and you thought, well, I'll just go book somewhere else. Screw you guys. No. Maybe screw you, actually. So you may not be able to fly anywhere with the major carriers because they are going to share these lists. There's no details on what the penalties will be on this, but it is interesting that the airlines are actually choosing to work together to solve a problem with flying. Let me know what you think about this. Do you think it's a good idea? Should they be sharing these lists? I don't know. Just leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Southwest Airlines is making it super simple to snag an extra 1,500 miles. All you have to do is download their Southwest button extension on your browser. Seriously, just go to Google, type in Southwest button extension, download that button, and then spend $50 and you will be handsomely rewarded with 1,500 miles. That's all the details there is. I just wanted to let you know. Pretty easy, right? As many of you are already probably well aware, the American Express Personal Platinum Card experienced a pretty hefty annual fee increase over the last year from $550 to $695. And there's been some debate on whether you actually get your money's worth out of this. Is it just an expensive coupon book? That's for you to decide. Let me know down in the comments. But there's a rumor out there on Reddit right now, and I'll put a link for that down in the description below, that mentions that American Express is considering adding even more coupon book values to this card. The three that are being brought up are SoulCycle, 60 car rental, and probably the most noticeable is Walmart Plus. Walmart Plus is essentially Walmart's answer to Amazon Prime, where you pay one annual membership, $98, and then you get unlimited delivery from their stores all over the country. And there are plans to expand that program later on, but that's kind of where it's at right now. Let me know what you think about this. There was a lot of controversy when this annual fee increased, and especially with some of the credits that were being offered, like the entertainment credit and the Equinox Gym credit. A lot of people were saying, well, we're not really going to use those. We need something of more value. Do you think these rumored changes would be any kind of incentive to get people to sign up for the American Express Platinum Card? I do think it's interesting that American Express, promotes the Platinum as this really high-end luxury card, and then they pair that with Walmart. I don't know, American Express Platinum and Walmart, it sounds kind of like an odd combination to me, but let me know what you think down in the comments. That's what really matters. I'm just giving you my take, but just seems kind of odd. We'll see how this plays out, and if that news does come to fruition, you will hear about it on this channel. And this is something just to put a quick $10 in your pocket if you are a healthcare worker or a teacher. QVC has announced that they will give $10 gift cards to those two people, teachers and healthcare workers. All you have to do is go down to the link in the description below, click through that, and then verify your profession. That's all you have to do. For example, my wife is a pharmacist, so she just had to submit something showing that she was an actual pharmacist, and she has a $10 gift card for QVC. What you buy at QVC? I don't know. Let me know. Do you all watch QVC? I remember growing up, my mom would watch QVC for hours on end. I don't know what you buy from there necessarily, but hey, it's a free $10 for you or someone that you know. I'm sure there's someone out there that you know that's either a teacher or a healthcare professional. Let them know it's a free $10 in their pocket, and I'm sure they would greatly appreciate it. And last but not least, if you're not familiar with the Weekly Pointers Update, I always like to leave you with a good food deal, and this week is no exception. Wendys has announced that their Boo Book deal is back for 2021. If you're not familiar with what a Boo Book is, B-O-O, it always comes out around the fall time, around Halloween. How appropriate, right? And the Boo Book is basically a coupon book that has 5 individual coupons inside for a Junior Frosty. So basically, you pay $1 and you get 5 coupons for Junior Frosties. This deal will go from now until October 31st. And there's also a bonus, get it? Okay, we're almost done with the video, just hang tight with me. There's a bonus offer in that coupon book as well that will give you any size fry with any purchase that's made through the app. Pretty simple, it's an extra bonus, and hey, I like the Frosties, I like the fries. I've actually heard about a lot of people that dip the fries in the Frosty. My wife is one of those people. I just can't quite get there. It's not there for me yet, but let me know if you do that. Well, what are your thoughts on all the news that we caught up on today? What do you think about the new Amex offers? Are you excited that they're going to keep lists of people on these airlines that won't be able to fly across all the major carriers? And most importantly, do you dip French fries in Frosties? That's probably the most important thing. Leave all that down in the comments below. If you found this information helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notifications for alerts, and when you click on the Brandon Boyd Show, click, it's going to be time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, French fries and Frosties, and everything in between, and I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. See you soon. Boom.